Okay, I'm in the passenger side. Pull up the seat. Oh, these are wet Oakleys. They're neoprene seat covers, and they're waterproof. Then I've got this power tank. It's a air tank that I use for airing up my tires. Let's see here. Take the tank out. It's mounted to the bottom of the truck. It's got its own hose, and it also runs air tools. I have a full air tool set that it runs, and that's pretty cool. I've used that thing more times than I can tell you. There's a welding jacket, some more blankets, pack sack, that kind of thing. And then in here is toe straps. There's a what's that? What do we got in here? I forget. Let's see. Oh, it's a come along. That's what that is. Toe straps. Oh, I remember what's in here. Let's get this out of here. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, we got some oil. That's the ticket right there. You're thinking, what is that? I'll tell you what it is. It's for a welding stick. And there's the calipers putting onto the batteries. And I can weld. I've got a welding stick set up, basically. So if I get stuck on the trail and I really need to weld something, I can do it. So that's that. Put this down in here. Okay, perfect. Well, that's all the videos I got for now. This is my 1986 Chevy CUCV. What do we got down there? Ah, yeah. Gotta have another inverter. First aid kit under this seat. Tire repair kit. First aid kit. Gotta have some air fresheners. Alright, see you guys.